In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link QuickBooks with your bank account in just 5 minutes. This is a straightforward process that simplifies your financial management by connecting your bank transactions directly with QuickBooks. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through each step. First things first, we'll need to access QuickBooks online. So, open up your web browser and head over to the QuickBooks website. Once you're there, take a glance at the top right corner of the screen. You should see the sign in button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. Now this will prompt you to enter your email and password. Make sure you have your account credentials handy for this step. It's important to double check your details to ensure that you're able to sign in without any trouble. After typing in your email and password, you'll want to proceed to click the sign in button again, which will take you to your QuickBooks dashboard. Once signed in, navigate to the transactions tab. This can typically be found on the left hand side menu of your dashboard. Clicking on this tab is an essential part of the process as it directs you to where all your financial activity gets monitored and managed. Following that, you'll need to click on Bank Transactions. This section is crucial because it handles the connection between your QuickBooks account and your bank. Through this feature, QuickBooks can seamlessly integrate your bank transactions, allowing you to view and organize them with ease. The next step is to click on Connect Account. This button is usually clearly labeled, making it easy to spot once you're in the bank transaction section. Clicking here will initiate the connection process between your QuickBooks account and your bank. Now this is where the magic happens. A window will appear prompting you to choose your bank from a list of available options. Take your time to find your bank, as this is a crucial link that will ensure your transactions are synchronized with QuickBooks. Once you've located your bank, you'll be asked to log into your bank account. When logging in, use the credentials you usually would for online banking. It's crucial to ensure that your login details are correct and secure. After you've successfully logged in, QuickBooks will begin the process of connecting to your bank. Once this connection is established, your bank transactions will automatically start syncing with QuickBooks, streamlining your accounting process and making it more efficient. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to link your QuickBooks account with your bank effortlessly. Now you can enjoy the benefits of having all your financial data at your fingertips in one convenient place, allowing you to focus more on what matters most, running your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.